Welcome back. This is the second video in our Chasing Psychological Safety video series, and today we are going to talk about
how we can manage to connect psychological safety to a real life measure of success, which is Agile KPIs, and whether or not that's a good idea. Right, it's a difficult topic. We've been bouncing this off each other and with teams and the community for the last year or so. And there are schools of thought that would say that it's a very bad idea to connect productivity and performance management of any kind to the idea of a team feeling safe. And we can understand that to a large degree, but my personal thesis, and hopefully ours in general, people not take, is that if we can show the business the importance of having your people happy, then we can get much further. And I think to show that connection, the best way to go about it would be to look at Agile KPIs, such as whatever they are for your organization, whether they are velocity, whether they are how much, or any other type of KPIs that really matter, right? Your OKRs, even your P&L. Just connect psychological safety to something that is truly important, ideally in the new ways of work. And then once you see that correlation, and we hope to come up with a number from the companies that we're working with today, then we can more easily talk to the rest of organizations around the world and say, look, this is important, this is why it's important, this is how it's going to make you money. It's not a nice to have, it's not a moral imperative to get your people psychologically safe. It's a business imperative because it makes them more productive.
Yeah, absolutely. I think what we are seeing, and certainly what I see through my work with teams, is that the more we talk about psychological safety in practical terms, the more we talk about how it actually relates to KPIs, OKRs, whatever it is that you're using, but particularly, say, project deliverables as well. So, it's those projects that make organizations money. It's those projects that people get excited about because of the content of the work that they're doing as well. So really being able to make a distinct connection between the work that we're doing on collaboration, on psychological safety, to the outcomes actually does make some sense. And when you are in the room and you have that conversation with the teams, as we are doing at the moment, you can really see that that's when people can see the practical application and they're ready to really make big strides then.
The value, yes. And I think this value is important that we show it, of course, to boards and executives everywhere. In particular, the more disconnected they are from the day-to-day team bubbles, the more it's important that we show it, and they need to see that having their people able to create these families and these bubbles and this magic of productivity within them is going to make them money. Is going to be the type of impetus that's going to push them towards looking at topics such as satisfaction and engagement in a very different fashion.
Yeah.
So we'd love to hear your thoughts. Why is it a good idea or a bad idea to be measuring psychological safety against organizational KPIs, potentially Agile KPIs is my hope. Leave us a comment, talk to us online, and we'll talk to you next week.
Thank you.
Bye.